faceless YouTube channels are exploding right now. Imagine making thousands of dollars without ever showing your face. Sounds too good to be true. Let me introduce you to XKCD's What If? A channel that launched a year ago, on August 31, 2023, and has already grown to 858,000 subscribers and over 50 million views with just 21 uploads. And it's estimated to be earning anywhere from $9,000 to $143,400 per year. The best part? You can start your own faceless YouTube channel today and tap into one of the most profitable YouTube automation niches in 2025. So, how does it work? Let's break it down. First, you don't need expensive software or editing skills. XKCD's What If uses Canva to create simple yet engaging videos. Instead of hiring voice actors, they use AI-generated voiceovers from tools like ElevenLabs and Murf AI, making the process fast and cost-effective. Thumbnails are designed in Canva, using bold colors and attention-grabbing visuals, increasing clicks and views. But the real secret to success? Choosing the right niche. XKCD's What If focuses on science-based hypothetical questions, a niche that's low competition but high demand. People love exploring wild, what-if scenarios, from physics and space to crazy tech predictions. And they're not the only ones thriving in this space. Other faceless channels crushing it include XKCD in a nutshell, which simplifies complex science topics with high-quality animations. Riddle, which focuses on space, mysteries, and AI concepts, earning over $10,000 per month. And Tech Vision, which covers AI breakthroughs and future technologies, making passive income through YouTube automation. With AI tools, YouTube automation, and high-demand niches, there has never been a better time to start a faceless YouTube channel. And the best part? You can do it even if you're a complete beginner. Here's how to get started. First, find a profitable niche. Research trending topics in YouTube automation niches 2025. Second, use AI for automation. Leverage AI-generated voiceovers and script writing tools. Third, create engaging thumbnails. High click-through rates mean more views and more revenue. And finally, monetize your content. Earn from ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. So, what's stopping you? If you've been thinking about starting a faceless YouTube channel, now is the time. Comment "I'm in" below if you're ready to start. And don't forget to subscribe for more YouTube automation tips.